Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix hosting plan canceled or suspended in Hostinger. So while using a hosting service, there may be a situation when your hosting plan is not visible on the homepage of each panel. Additionally, you may find out that your status of your hosting plan is suspended. So if your hosting plan is suspended because of abuse, it means that it violated the terms of service. So if you think this is a mistake or need more information, so you just have to get in touch with the Hostinger customer success team or reply to the email. To do that, go to support.hostinger.com, and here you will find the solution on how you can fix your issue on your Hostinger hosting plan. So you just need to find the right article, then you'll find instruction how you can fix the issue. And if you have a Hostinger account, you can basically go and log in with your each panel. So for example here, and then click on the question mark icon at the top right, which is the help. So click on that. And then from here, you now go to this page where you can choose a topic related to query. Expand the section below for some of the examples. Now, a pop-up window will appear where you can send your message, as you can see here. So Cody, the AI-powered assistant, can handle a wide range of issues. So provide a brief description of the situation, including any error messages, or Cody will find the best solution for you. So if your hosting plan is suspended because of a non-payment, so the solution is really simple. You just have to renew your hosting plan and it will be reactivated as soon as they receive the payment. So if your hosting plan is canceled because of non-payment and expired less than 30 days ago, you can restore it. So to restore your hosting plan, you'll need to pay for the renewal. So navigate to the homepage of each panel, so you can see here, and then click on the renew button. And then here you will find the pending payment section. And in the next window, the time left to restore the plan will be shown. So click on the restore to check the renewal options and complete the payment. So depending on the number of websites, the restoration process can take from 30 minutes up to a few hours to complete. And after 30 days, the hosting plan is automatically deleted and can no longer be renewed or restored. However, you can purchase a new hosting plan and recreate your website. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.